Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel just@kick.com, and today we are going to talk about Dell Latitude E5510 out here. Dell series is really amazing version out here because Dell and Dell Latitude, they are actually one of the most experienced, most popular, or we can say the most used gadgets out there, offering you embedded security chip system of TPM 1.2 security chip system. This legacy continues with the Dell Latitude E5510 out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that it is offering you a good range of specifications in the internal components also. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that it offers you a CPU, that is the Intel Core processor out here. Yes, the processing system out here is offering you Intel Core i5. Intel Core i5 could be seen out of this variant with a max turbo speed of 2.8 gigahertz. So max turbo speed is 2.8 gigahertz. What would be the base speed out here? Talking about the base speed, it offers you 2.3 gigahertz to 2.5 gigahertz. This is the max turbo base clock speed out here offered by this gadget. Talking about this variant, talking about Dell Latitude E5510 out here, offers you a good speed, offers you a dual core system. Yes, it is offering you a dual core system out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the internal systems more, and the internal things includes the chip system as well. Yes, it includes the chip system, and talking about the chip system, it offers you mobile Intel HM55 Express. Yes, it is offering you mobile Intel HM55 Express out here internally. Along with that, you get to see Intel Turbo Boost technology. Yes, Intel Turbo Boost technology could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see a cache memory. Yes, there is a cache memory offered out in this variant, which is L3 cache with an installed size of 3 MB. So 3 MB is the installed size of cache memory in the form of L3 cache type. But memory is not alone defined by the cache or other things. It is a combination of cache, RAM, hard drive. So let us talk about the RAM now. Talking about the RAM quality, we can say that it offers you an installed RAM or the integrated RAM of 4 GB. So 4 GB is the installed RAM out here offered by this gadget. Along with that, you get to have a memory speed of 1333 megahertz. So a good memory speed could be seen out here, which is 1333 megahertz. Along with that, you get to have a configuration of 4 GB. So you get to have a configuration that is 4 GB out here. 4 GB, a single slotted configuration is seen in this variant. We have got a good interface with the storage out here. And talking about this RAM, that is the 4 GB RAM, usually it is not sufficient for the gadget, so it has got a maximum support size, offering you a maximum support size of 8 GB. So there is a maximum support size offered out here, which is 8 GB. Along with that, you get to have a technology that is DDR3 technology with a same speed of 1333 megahertz. Now, when we are talking about the storage, we cannot neglect out the hard drive storage also. Talking about the hard drive storage, it has got HDD type hard drive storage, offering you HDD type hard drive storage. It offers you 320 GB hard drive storage. Yes, 320 GB is the hard drive storage offered out here. Along with that, you get to see 7200 RPM spindle speed. That is the rotation per minute. Rotation per minute offered out here is 7200 RPM. Now, when we are talking about the storage and everything, the other type of storage out there is the optical drive storage or the optical connectivity. Talking about that, it has got an optical drive connectivity also. Now, when we are talking about these things, we are talking about these factors, the storage. Another important factor comes out to be the display, the screen size. Talking about the screening, it has got a size of 39.6 centimeters. Yes, this is the screen size offered out by this variant, that is 39.6 centimeters out there. Along with that, you get to see LED backlight, LED screening with an HD resolution and an anti-glance featuring. So overall, it offers you LED backlight technology, anti-glance technology, HD resolution, as well as LED backlight. In short, LED backlight, anti-glance, HD resolution display. So display is basically the LED display out here. Overall, it offers you a good resolution and everything. But video and the audio are not actually comprised or the output of just the display. It is actually defined by the graphic processor out there, the graphics used out in this variant. Talking about the graphics, it offers you Intel HD graphics with a dynamic video memory technology 5. Yes, it offers you a dynamic video memory technology 5 out here with Intel HD graphics. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this versions out there, then we cannot neglect out the fact that it has got integrated webcam with stereotype speakers and microphones out there. Along with that, you get to have a good connectivity with other connections like USB connectivity 2, USB connectivity 3, audio input output jack connectivity along with power connectivity, SD card reading connectivity, USB connectors, multi-card reading, flash connectors out there. Optical drive connectivity is definitely there, which is for the optical storage, that is the DVD storage out here. All these things are really important. But another important factor about any gadget is the battery. Talking about the battery, it offers you 9 cell, yes, 9 cell lithium ion battery with 85 volts capacity. So it is offering you 9-volt lithium ion, 85 volts capacity out here. Now we have talked about all the specifications, the major specifications out here. But another factor which plays an important role is the pricing. So let us talk about the pricing. Talking about the pricing, we are at just at click.com. Yes. When we talk about pricing, this site, which is just at click.com, offers you a pocket-friendly rates as well as savings. Along with that, a last selection process, like you can select n number of gadgets from your top brands. Now, when we are talking about this site, another important factor about this site is it offers you customizability option. Yes, the customizability option offering at this site is really important. You can customize your gadgets accordingly, like whatever gadget you like to customize. If it is being customized by the company, you can customize that gadget accordingly. Now let us search about this gadget in the search icon. That is the latitude. So these are the results out here. Dell Latitude E5510. These are slightly different out here, but both of them have the same conditions, same specifications out there. As well as you get to see that they are under the category of refurbished. Both of the gadgets are under the category of refurbished, and a slight difference in the specifications or the customizations, like RAM might be different, or you might find difference in some of the things out there. So now first let us know what are the refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there, because refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market, and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers, everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies, any specification is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything. You like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget in short. What happens is when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now, this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all or it does not pass all the parameters or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters includes a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now, it is brought in the market. Now, what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now, a new user wants to have that gadget and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now, talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing, whereas for refurbished product, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, whatever is done on that particular site. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design, keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not, audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से, and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look. So overall look and things we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares or highly designed softwares we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using. The graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the part? Well, there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly like, they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container we can say, or proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? Because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. There is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is justatclick.com. Yes, we were at this site, that is justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site that is just at click.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out just at click.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now, talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. Now, this is for just at click.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.